Then I tried what the projectile would, what the answer would be if it's going uphill. Okay, so if it's going to a cliff. Now it ends up being that the equations are very similar. So if it's going to a cliff, you're going to be shooting it from like this, and then it's going to go to a cliff. So the only difference is what? The height is positive 4 instead of negative 4, right? It's going up. So when you put it into this equation, the only thing that changes is this one becomes positive 400. That's it. This stays the same, this stays the same, this changes to positive 400. Then you go through all of the calculations, find which sign changes. And it ends up being that what's going to happen is when you get to the end, they're all going to be positive. This is positive, and this one is also going to be positive. That's pretty much it. So when it's going downhill, this last portion was negative 153,664. Then it's going to be positive, it's going to a cliff. Then you do the equation again and you solve it. And then this time I tried it. I got 65.07 degrees. So it was even more than what I had said earlier in my conceptual analysis of the problem. I said something like 55 degrees. But this time 65 degrees maximizes the range. And then again I tried a little angle more than that, a little angle less than that, and then I tried 45 degrees. Now I got this time, for 65 degrees I got the maximum range of 4.742428. So it's less than this, because it's going uphill, right? But it's 4.742428. Then I tried an angle of 66 degrees. I got the range, so 1 degree more than that. I got range of 4.7248, which is 4.7248, 4.7424. You see, the second digit is already larger. 7.4, this is 7.2. So it goes 2 centimeters farther. 1 degree difference makes that much difference. Okay? Now if the angle is 65, which is 0.07 degrees less than that, so that's very, very close to it, then I got a range of 4.742305. Now I don't expect this to be too much different than that, but you see that it is actually less. This is 7424, this is 7423, so it's a little less than that. Then I also tried, of course, 45 degrees, and I got no solution. That means 45 degrees doesn't even make it there. No solution. So essentially what happens with 45 degrees is that you shoot it, and it probably hits the cliff somewhere. It doesn't even go over it, you know, because it hits the cliff. If the cliff wasn't there, of course it would give you the maximum range, but it doesn't have enough of a lift to actually make it over the cliff. So you can see here with some calculus and some trig identities and all of the analysis of projectile motion, you can do some valuable calculations here. Thank you.